it. Just like get it? They also get it. 3 for 3 getting it. We're batting 100% so far, guys. Yes. We are the Dead Parrot Society from Western Washington University. What that means is we're not from this state. What? We're from your neighboring northerly state, up in Bellingham near Vancouver, British Columbia. So we have that, right? No, there literally is a Vancouver in Canada. Not just the famous Washington City. Okay, what we're going to do for you today is a format we're bringing to Chicago on March 23rd. Lucky enough as the wild card team to represent the Northwestern Improv Nation. So the format we're doing today is called a building blocks montage. It's just a way for us to stock the fridge before we do some weird open improv. Now, what we're going to need from this super enthusiastic lady right now. What's your name? Tori? Yeah. Tori, do you live here in Portland? Are you from Portland originally? Okay, born and raised? Yep. If I was to come to Portland for one day, which I did today, where would you have brought me if it wasn't an improv show? Could be a date, could just be for fun. I don't care, Tori! I don't care! Where? Fallon's bookstore? Powell's bookstore, okay. Powell's bookstore. Powell is someone who loses their house when it's too windy out. That's a Winnie the Pooh reference. Powell, owl, it's there. Alright, we don't like stuffed animals. That's what we want. Stay away from stuffed animals. What is something you grew up with other than stuffed animals? Tape. Tape. I heard somebody say tape. Maybe they tape balls. Maybe they tape paper together. If we could please, tape is something that keeps things together. What is something that repels? Terrorism?
Oil!
Terrorism! I heard terrorism. Okay, so our suggestions for today are Powell's bookstore, tape, the childhood friend tape, and terrorism. Okay. Here's the Dead Parrot Society building blocks montage. Thank you. Found it. Hey, Mel. Oh, Eeyore.
So for my next art project, it's you. You're the art project.
What? No, I thought this was just gonna be like a. No, I just came in here. I thought I was gonna get like a role in a commercial. I didn't want to. This is just a casting of it. What?
But you've been in my class, and I thought we were friends, so I could use you.
I thought this is gonna be like serious art. Cardboard paper, glue sticks. What are you planning to do to me?
You don't think all that's serious?
No, not at all. All right, class. Settle down. No! Settle down.
Mister!
I swear to God, I'll do it. Stand. Wait.
Mr. Quamo, I heard that Dwenin he's gonna go out on the slide leader, and he's gonna put hydraulic acid
is.
Hey, you guys! Don't. My dad is a big lawyer, and if he knew what words you guys were saying about me right now, he'd probably kill you. Or maybe he'd just tell me to toughen up. What point? Say grow some man hands. He'd say most 14-year-olds have gone through puberty already.
At least you have hands.
Is that why he's so angry?
Can I apply for a position?
At you coming a crazy Kathy sandwich shop? All right.
Yeah, I want to be Crazy Kathy.
You want?
My goal in life is to be Crazy Kathy. No, I have a great resume. See, I'm crazy. Legally, I got my name changed to Kathy. Kathy McBluffin stuff.
That's my name.
That's yep. I'm aspiring to be you. I think I'd be a better.
Yeah, yes, I bought copies of my resume.
But
You can see on there my name's Catherine.
that's my. That's also.
And guess what?
You look nice when you do that. Go on, child.
Ode to Spring Day.
Oh.
For my lovely father and mother. A spring day is like that of another day. But not uncold. Mom. Dad, you guys are distracting me. There's a lot of people watching.
This is really hot, son.
Look, you guys! Sit down. Sit down. I don't care if everybody's here. Look. I think I want a divorce. I don't think it's been working out since it started, and I felt like I had no choice between us.
Where did this come from?
I don't know, Dad. I guess I just grew up. What, Mom?
That's not what a divorce is.
Divorce is when a kid doesn't want to be with his parents anymore.
It's called die for your sins. Go away and die. Your other parent can have you.
I'm the other parent.
This next poem is called No Love. There is no love in the
Sorry.
Say it, Michael.
So you got a yo-yo there.
Red and yellow, and yours is green and blue.
Yeah, like
An
a
observation.
Hey, you should be an observational comedy man. You're so good at it. Like, you're always just like figuring out what's there, what's the truth.
That was the first time Jerry Seinfeld had ever been told he was funny. Jerry remembered that day.
Regular Play-Doh. You're regular Play-Doh. You know, the old philosopher Plato could mold himself into any What's the deal with that?
All right. Thank you very much for coming out to Powell's Bookstore open mic. Thank you. We've got a few. Yeah, that's very nice. We've got a few actually first-timers in the audience. Small child that's going to be doing a little bit of poetry. We promise. We know we got a lot of complaints about the last kid. But this next child we've heard has been very funny. He's been doing a little bit of stand-up comedy around the elementary school. He's got this great bit about what's the deal with applesauce. Please put your hands together for Jerry Seinfeld.
Let me jump right into it. Yes, sir. Have a color with one color and done. Well, are you single? Maybe You thought I was done? What's the deal with that?
Hey, Teach!
How's it going, Teach?
All right, boys. Maybe you noticed this. Not too many of the students today.
Oh,
What?
just two.
There's two.
Yeah, the 30 kids are gone.
What would have ever happened to them?
Certainly not a scissor accident.
Certainly not.
Cutting. It wasn't a scissors accident, actually. It was,
What?
let me just wash my hands.
Certainly they weren't all strangled to death with
No.
a paper chain.
No, it's not quite that. It's not quite that. God damn it. Not that.
What was it, Teach? Then what was it?
No.
Teach!
No. Teach. No. Teach.
What was it, Teach?
Where's it? Just wash my hands.
Well, Teach hasn't been teaching much lately. What should we call him? Maybe
Stand?
You know what? Call me Little Miss Skirt. Because I do not feel like a teacher nor a man today.
Hi, I'm Hansel, and this is my brother Jeremy, and we've divorced our parents. We just wanted to come and talk to you today because it took a lot of courage and a lot of tears, but we did it. We did it. Yeah.
When I was trying to divorce my parents, they were saying that it's not really divorce, but it's more like you die for your sins. Die forced in. Divorce. Have you guys now that you've died recently.
You want to get this one?
I'll do it. Dad, there is rebirth. And we were reborn.
Together.
Wait. So if you want a parent divorce, you have to go back up inside and be reborn?
I did it. And we've never been happier.
I'm going to say one thing. It was messy, but boy was it good.
Mom! Dad!
I thought you divorced us.
No, I didn't divorce you. I want to divorce you.
You said out loud that you were going to divorce us. We heard that. We sent you to die for.
You guys have been able to see me at my first portrait cycle.
Is this it? Was that it?
What?
Why didn't you just say something?
That's what you guys were touching yourselves in the portraits. Everybody's
Touching is a liberal term. How about this? We'll come to your next poetry recital and we'll hold ourselves back.
You still want me to voice?
We'll see. We'll see how good you do at the poetry recital. Come to the next poetry recital.
All right. Please. Thank you for coming out. Of course, we have our new local favorite comedian, Jerry Seinfeld.
What's the deal with divorces? You done, but then you gotta crawl back in there.
Dad, stop!
What, son? What would we do? We didn't understand the comedy, so we decided to have fun ourselves. Say something for yourself. You might as well. You just ripped your mother off on top of me. That's a terrible thing for a child to do to his father.
If you came after yourself, you wouldn't be here! I am leaving, and I'm gonna leave. I'm going. Here we go. I hate you guys. God, I'm Karen. No. It's gonna be the two of us here now.
Yeah, I guess. If you could, you're. I just want to tell you that.
The smokers by the art building. Quick, police force.
Hey, look, two policemen. Maybe they want some of Kathy's hot subs. Sandwiches, boys!
Get him right. Get him right.
Maybe this will get him going. Well, when they started to drop,
I don't have that.
when they started to drop, I still wanted all my nipples in a normal place. So they started going down, and I got two nipples implanted higher. And then they started sinking again, and I got two more. And now I'm at an even dozen. Aquarius! We got a sinker. She sticks right out their hands.
came up and he started talking to me and he had like 12 nipples and I was trying to say, I talk when I get nervous. Do you want a sandwich? You want meatball sub? I get like 2 balls and a meatball. You want 2 balls? You want 2 red balls? He's got 12 nipples. I'm so nervous. Oh boy, here we go. Cutting sandwiches. He's got 12 nipples.
Sorry.
Hey, Uncle Velvet. She knows too much.
Want some meatballs?
What? Yeah. Hey, yo, little lumpy on the radio, coming at you like, what up, I'm mad. Hey, yo, little lumpy on the radio, coming up like, what up, how's your dad? He seems nice, he seems cool, seems like a guy with a bow tie, cool. He's not a badass, he's a really cool dad. I'd like to meet him, yo. Cool.
Cool dads. You're the dad club.
75th meeting of the Cool Dad Club comes in order. In order!
Yo, yo, yo!
David, you seem very energetic. Maybe you want to say something about your cool dad. Why don't you get on up here?
My cool dad.
Please, at the podium, please.
Okay. Yo, yo, what's up? I'm David. I got a...
Hello, David!
Yo, what's up? Crazy kids. My name's David. I got a sick ass dad. He's pretty cool.
Wait. David, is your dad sick?
That's not very cool.
You just said you have a sick ass dad. Is your dad... David, does your dad have some type of replicant?
Okay, yo, I'm gonna get real with you guys. Rectal cancer is nothing to joke about, but my dad, I think he's got something funky up in his doodah.
What's the deal? What'd you do?
I agree with Jerry.
That guy was weird. I hope he never gets a primetime TV program. Anyway.
Hey, Jerry has dreams too, okay? Because he's got a big nose and a weird voice.
Like I was saying, my dad.
4 inches long. Look at this thing.
Like, can I talk now? Yo, what's up? Okay, that's all I was gonna say, but my dad, I just wanted to say that peace goes out to you, David Sr. I love you. You're my home dog.
More like home dad.
Dogs can be dads too. Read a dog book.
Go to the library.
Yo, okay, well, whatever. I don't even know why I came here. I gotta go tie my shoelace.
It's an expensive microphone, but all last year's savings in it.
Whatever, yo. I'm not drunk.
You know, welcome back. More like 75th and last meeting of the Cool Dads Club. Anyone of you guys, other than Jerry, got something to say?
My name's Kyle and I have a dad. My dad had a dad and that dad was rad. Had he not had a dad, well, shit.
That's what I'm gonna do next.
Thank you, Kyle.
They don't like it.
Up next. Good. Up next, I have a poem I wrote for my dad.
Hi, son.
My dad had a dad, and his dad was Brad. His dad's dad was named Brad. That's not bad.
Wait, that was Thad.
That's right. My bad, I meant dad. Not Brad, and
nor Chad. A North African country. Which is not that bad.
This is sad.
David, are you okay?
I'm doing great.
You two,
Yeah?
sit down. Sit down. Hands.
I can make fun of him, I just shouldn't. Watch, it's very easy. Here, catch.
Okay, that was a good example. That was a good example.
I can play. Wait, no, I don't play. I don't play.
Both of you, fill out these exams.
Yeah, but it's just that Dalen's causing so much trouble out there. He still thinks that terror is very And I didn't want to be this guy. But here I am, tattling. So I'm sorry, Darren, okay? But no more trouble. Just because you don't have any arms doesn't mean you can do everyone out on the playground anymore.
That makes sense. Yes, I'm sorry. That was really rude of me to acid the whole school. I'm terribly sorry. Apology.
Apology accepted. I wasn't asked to do it.
Your parents kind of were. Shake it.
Proud of you boys, real proud. Smoke break. Am I done?
Yeah. You're pretty. You're like a big birthday cake.
Now I just go out and stand in a museum for the next 10 hours.
Yeah, it's kind of experimental, but I like experimenting.
It's just a normal audition. Just look pretty.
Kind of regret all of it. I'm not an artist.
It's a lot of tape.
It's stuck on you. The tape it's not me,
Yeah.
but we're kind of on the rocks. Sorry about that. I like you. I can tell you're a real cool girl.
They like you too. I'll give you a Facebook message later.
I just wanted to, thanks everybody coming out. You know, this is the last Howells. Last Howells bookstore reading we're gonna have until it blows over.
Make a room for Piglet.
Maybe sad oh dear, I could ever get those sticks to stay up together.
Cue the wrecking ball, Jerry.
No, wait! If you could hold on the cue for that wrecking ball, Jerry.
Dude, hold
Jared,
it.
Acknowledge.
Acknowledge. Are you fucking Jerry?
Acknowledge.
Dad. Last poem. Powell's bookstore.
Okay, son. I'm listening.
From my parents, Jerry and Eunice. Dear Jerry, wow, so much I haven't said. Dear Eunice, I know I never
Thanks, Rex. Rex, you guys, Rex has been here. Every How Pal bookstore reading we've had. Thanks, Rex. But please,
You're welcome.
the last hilarious sentence of my poem. This is for sure going to be a one-liner that is going to knock your socks off. I was a stand-up comedian. This would be really funny.
Son,
Finally,
son.
what?
I have a one-liner.